Good morning, everyone. In today's quick tip, I'll show you how to replace the stones in a pavé design with gems that use your own custom proportions. Let's start with this model. It was built using the Pave tool, which means every stone here uses the software's default proportions. In practice, though, the stones you actually set may be cut differently, slightly deeper, slightly shallower. So let's swap them for stones that match your real material. Before we change anything, let's run a gem report to establish a baseline. The current estimate is 3.65 carats. Keep that number in mind. We'll come back to it at the end. Now let's create our custom stone. I'll open the gem command and adjust the proportions of a single stone. For this demonstration, I'll make the difference obvious and set the depth to 75%. As you can see, the stone is now noticeably deeper than the originals. This is the stone we want throughout the entire piece. Replacing them one by one would take a long time. Instead, we'll use Orient Gem. First, it asks for the base gem. That's our new custom stone. Select it and press Enter. And finally, the target gems. Select every stone you want to replace. In this case, all of the pavé stones, except our base gem and the spare copy I've kept off to the side. Press Enter to confirm, and the replacement is done. Now let's tidy up. I'll hide the metal and switch to wireframe so we can see exactly what happened. Notice that we now have two sets of stones. The originals, still sitting in their separate groups, and the new ones, conveniently grouped together. So, select the new stones, move them to a temporary layer, and hide it. Now delete all of the original stones. Unhide your temporary layer and move the new stones back into a proper gem layer. Finally, let's update the gem report. The total weight has increased, exactly as we'd expect, since our new stones are deeper than the default ones. And that's it. With a single Orient Gem command, you can replace every stone in a pavé piece with gems that match your real-world proportions. Thanks for watching.